Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to get more FPS in Roblox. So let's get started. It's very simple and easy task. First, if I go to Roblox and once you are in the game, press Shift F5, and here on the left top, as you can see, I get 60 FPS. So how I can increase it? First, open your web browser, and in the search bar, search for RBX FPS Unblocker. And here is the first website, click to open it. And now here, if you scroll down, and here is our zip file, just click on it and it will start downloading automatically. Now first go to that folder where you installed this zip file. Just for showing you, I will make it large. And now right click on your zip file and click on extract here. Double click on it. And that's it. Now go back and relaunch Roblox. Once it will be opens, press Shift plus F5. And here, as you can see, I got 100 to 130 FPS. So it was the simple and easiest way in which you can get more FPS.